How to install VideoGen plugin for DaVinci Resolve Studio. Go to your browser and type modelslab.com/plugin. Then go to Video Fusion and click VideoGen for DaVinci Resolve Studio. Click Download Plugin. Now go to Downloads folder and double-click the VideoGen DaVinci setup file to install the plugin. Once your installation is finished, open DaVinci Resolve Studio, open any project and go to Workspace, then Workflow Integration and click VideoGen. A pop-up window will be opened. Go to Preferences in that window and enter your token key. If you don't have the key, click Manage Subscription. It will redirect you to ModelsLab subscription plan page where you can select any plan according to your requirement. Once you have purchased the plan, a key will be assigned to you. You can find on the dashboard of ModelsLab website, copy that key and paste it here, and click Save. This is one-time hustle. Now go to Text to Video tab and type your prompt. Select parameter according to your requirement and click Generate. Let's check it out. Isn't that perfect? Click on Add to add it to your timeline. There is one more tab where you can generate image to video. Just drag and drop your image and click Generate. Voila! Perfect, let's check this out. Click on Add to Timeline and we are ready to go. That's it, folks. Keep prompting.
AI plugins by ModelsLab.